Hi everybody, in this video we want to have a look at the diphthong A. The diphthong A is a double vowel sound and it is a combination out of E and E, two monophthongs. If we combine them in one smooth movement, we get a new sound and that is A. Let's have a look at the vowel chart. If this chart is new to you, make sure you have a look at my other video about the vowel chart. All of the monophthongs, the single vowel sounds in English, can be put on this chart. You can see them all here. Let's have a look if we can find E and E. I've highlighted them here for you. E and E, both unrounded, short monophthongs formed relatively to the front of the mouth. So this is in relation to the position of the tongue. Now we're going to move from E to E in one smooth movement. So E to E, A, 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 A. This is the diphthong A. Let's have a look at some example words. For example, face, train, pay, they. These are all words containing the diphthong A, but as you can see, they all have a different spelling pattern. I know, unfortunately, English spelling and English pronunciation do not go hand in hand. They're not the same, and this can make learning English a little bit difficult. Let's have a look at some common spelling patterns for A. Here are two spelling patterns. First, we have the letter A, as in face, make, take, paper. Or we could have the spelling pattern AI. For example, train, main, sail, daily. Another spelling pattern is AY. Away, display, say, maybe. But these are not the only spelling patterns. We could also have other spelling patterns, not as common as the ones before, but they do exist. And you know, I'm sure some of these words. For example, EA in steak, break, or great. Another spelling pattern is EY in they, grey, hay. Or we have EIGH as in wait, ate, neighbor. So I know this is a little bit confusing. We have 4 letters, but really it's just one sound, and that is A. So wait, ate, neighbor. Now let's see if you can identify A in a little test. Test yourself. Which words contain A? Area, idea, create, heart, great. And the answer is you have A in create and great. Here is the phonemic transcript for all of the words. Area has an air. Idea has 2 diphthongs, I and ear. Create has an A. Heart, just a long R. And great, an A. Test number 2. Which words do not contain A? cake, steak, buy, pay, they, chaos, maybe, face, rain, ate, ready. And the answer is buy and ready do not contain a. Buy contains the diphthong I, and ready does not contain any diphthong, it simply contains the monophthong e.